Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video I will talk about GiNZA NLP library. So, before going on with the video, let us start with agenda for this tutorial video. 1. What is GiNZA? 2. Why GiNZA was built? 3. How GiNZA is implemented? And lastly 4. How to use GiNZA on Google Colab. So, what is GiNZA? GiNZA is an open-source Japanese NLP library with features such as a one-step installer, high-speed and high-precision analysis, and international capabilities for sentence structure analysis. We need to know what is natural language processing (NLP). Natural language processing is a subfield of linguistics and artificial intelligence concerned with the interactions between computers and human or natural languages, in particular how to program computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data. Second, why GiNZA was built. In Japanese, language has no spaces separating its words. For given example, it does not have any space. This translates to I am Rinchin. So is very hard to differentiate between noun, verb, and adjectives. So, here they have solved those problem with morphological analyzers, dependency parsers, and named entity, which made language analysis easier for them. And there were some other reasons, such as 1. Japanese NLP frameworks operating on commercially usable licenses have lagged behind. Japanese datasets for NLP research purposes and training models are extremely limited compared to English ones. 3. How is GiNZA implemented? GiNZA uses 2 very strong core technology for its processing. 1. SPA-SCI and 2. SUDA-CHI. SPA-SCI, an NLP framework that incorporates leading machine learning capabilities. SUDA-CHI, an open-source morphological analyzer that takes care of tokenization. Due to those 2 core technology, GiNZA were able to provide sufficient processing speed and analytical accuracy, even in industrial applications. Lastly, how to use GiNZA in Google Colab. For installation of GiNZA packages in Google Colab, we need to use the following code, and then I will demonstrate in Google Colab. Just use the code that was shown earlier, then run the code. It might take some time to load those packages. So, in this video I have fast forwarded the video. While executing the code in Colab, all the packages were downloaded, but some packages were not installed. So, for those packages we need to reload Packa-egg resources. For that, use the following code. Now let's try these code in Google Colab and run the code. As we can see that there is no problem, let's proceed with the final code. For execution, let's try with the following code, and after execution this should be the final answer. If we get these answer, there is no problem with the code. First let's try to import SPA-SCI and let's try to load GiNZA. There is no problem in importing resource packages. Therefore we can move on with next step. Now let's use the code shown earlier and run it. We got the answer. So, therefore we could say that there is no problem with the code. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel and hit on that icon bell for further notification.